formation now. Everybody in formation, come over here if you would. Thank you. Stand. All right. Come stand right here. You stand right here, close together, close to each other. Right here. Right here. Come on. Come on. Stand right here. All right. Well, we could give each other. Wait. Okay. All the balls must be on this side. Now, when I give the command, you will pass the cannonball only once. The person on the other side does not return it until the next command. Everyone ready? You understand me? All right, everybody. Get ready. All right. No, not yet, little buddy. All right. Ready? Pass the cannonball. Only once. If you dropped it, thank you for playing. Go sit down now. Thank you. Stop. No, you didn't miss. Come back. All right, now everybody take one step back. One step back. Come on. One step back. One step back. All right. Ready? Pass the cannonball. Okay, if you dropped it, thank you for playing. Thank you. All right. Everyone ready? Get ready. Here we go. We still have 3 teams left. Ready? Pass the cannonball. Oh, if you dropped it, thank you for playing. Thank you so much. You still have a prize. You still have your prize waiting for you. We still have 2 teams left. Everyone ready? Pass the cannonball. All right, now, one step back. Ready? Pass the cannonball. Here's our winners right here. What's your name, sir? Jim? Tim and his granddaughter Kylie, making memories at Deloso Family Farms. Come and make more memories with us in December. Come on and join us for ice skating. Congratulations. Give them a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, to my right, your left. If any of you remember the TV series Family Affair with Uncle Bill, Buffy, Jody, Sissy, you're looking at Kathy Garber, who played Sissy on Family Affair. There she is. Let's give her a big welcome. All right. The show will begin in just a moment, folks. Stay where you are. We'll be right back with you.
Avast there, mates. Get ready to set sail with Deloso Family Farms Interactive Pirate Show. Now, welcome your pirate host, Captain Shell.
Pirates say aye! All hands on deck! Raise the sails! Hoist the Jolly Roger! Ready the cannon! now, all pirates. When I give you the command, you will walk up to this rope. You will pick it up and hold it like this. Is everyone in tune with that? All right. Here we go. All right, here we go.
Shiver me timbers! We are the pirates and this is our tale. We're standing on the main deck, rigging up the sail. Pulling up the anchor, here we go. With an R-A-P, yo ho ho! We are the pirates, pirates of the ocean. We are the pirates, young and free. We are the pirates, ready for adventure, digging for the treasure, you and me. We are the pirates.
The treasure be that way.
We are the pirates, ready for adventure, digging for the treasure, you and me. We are the pirates, pirates of the ocean. We are the pirates, young and free. We are the pirates, ready for adventure, digging for the treasure, you and me. We are the pirates. We are the pirates.
With a yo ho ho! Let's hear it for Chester the Chicken. He's the pirate king, the pirate captain. He's gotta go now. Everybody say come on, Chester! Pirates, stay in your places. We come down the line now. We find out who all of our new pirates are.
Ahar, mateys, me name be Matthew.
Ahar, ladies, me Julie and Arnold. Just say your name. Jackson. Thank you, Jackson.
Aiden.
What's your name? It's okay. Okay.
Eliza.
Okay.
Kylie. Christian.
Okay.
Isabel.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Please welcome our new pirates. Here they are. All right, pirates. We're about to go on an adventure in shark-infested waters. Hang on to the rope. And everybody sway like this. Everybody sway. Everybody sway. Keep swaying. Don't stop. Don't stop. Are you ready for this new adventure, everyone? Shark-infested waters. Who knows what will happen next?
Shiver my timber, shiver my soul. Go, ho-dee-ho. There are men whose hearts are as black as coal. Go, ho-dee-ho. And they sailed their ship across the ocean blue. A bloodthirsty captain and a cutthroat crew. It's as dark a tale as was ever told of the lust for treasure and the love of gold. Shiver my timbers, shiver my sides. Yo, ho-dee-ho. There are hungers as strong as the wind and tides. Yo, ho-dee-ho.
And those buccaneers drowned their sins in rum. The devil himself would have to call and stop.
Every man aboard would have killed his mate for a bag of guineas or a piece of land. Shiver my timbers, shiver my sails. Dead man tell no tales.
let's go on. All of you on this side, go back to that part. Go back to it. Everybody let go of the rope and go that way. Everybody on this side, go over on this side. Go on back this way. Don't worry, the pirate crew will help you. And now, my friends, our next adventure begins. I hear tales. We could be attacked by the Kraken. If you should look upwards to the sky and see the Kraken, we have to know we're safe and we'll be all right. I'm looking into the audience right now for a really cool dad. Sir, you look like a rough, tough, burly sailor to me. Could you please join us? Please stand up. Please join us, please. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. What's your name? Hey, Charles, I promise I won't embarrass you. Charles, I need you. You have to keep us safe from the Kraken. If you would be so kind as to accept this hat. Oh, no, Charles. If you would be so kind as to accept this hat, you would all be very grateful. There you are, Charles. Place that hat on your head with honor. Step on over. Captain Mulligan and Pirate Henry will help you right over there. You're going to help us with the cannon, Charles. And now it's rolling from this side. Come on, Dad. Who's going to be my dad right here, sir? Why don't you come up? Come on up. Let's bring him up with a round of applause. What is your name? Sal? Name is Charles over there. Will you please do us the honor and accept this hat? Help us on this side with the cannon. Crewmate Nia and Captain Flynn will help you. They changed their name. So, Sal, will you please do us the honor and accept this hat? We would be most honored. Put that hat of honor on your head. Let's hear it for our two dads. Now, pirates, if you should see the Kraken, you are going to let him have it with those cannonballs. Show me your cannonballs, everybody. Very good. You are ready. All right, friends, here's our next adventure. Good luck. Keep her in good hands. Good luck.
Thirsty for adventure on the sea. Set the sail and heave ho, adventure is for me. Searching for the treasure hidden well. On the secret treasure map, a tale I'll never tell. I'll say ah, and sail the open sea. Hoist the Jolly Roger and a pirate you shall be. Hey, hey, ho! Windward or to lee. Hoist the Jolly Roger and a pirate you shall be. Next marks the spot, so dig, dig, dig. Next marks the spot, so dig, dig, dig. On the run, escape is what we'll do. Now we have the booty and a mighty crew. And your guns, the captain's all the way. Load your cannons and wait until I say, coming around, ready, set, coming around, so ready, set, fire! I'll say, I sail the open sea.
We're rough, tough, burly sailors, as tall as we are wide. And the ocean's just an itty bitty pond with gummies on the other side. We're rough, tough, burly sailors. We're rough, tough, burly guys. And we sail the seas on the salty breeze eating gummy berry pies. Sing hey ho, sing hey ho. We'll be heaving in a hole, but we don't know where we're going. Sing hey ho, sing hey ho, sing hey ho. We'll be heaving in a hole, but we don't know where we're going. Sing hey ho.
All right, everyone, stay in your seats. We're bringing the pirate drums now. You can practice with them, but listen carefully. Now, where's your drum? How about you, Charles? Where's your drum? Trade that one. Okay, Charles. Alright, hold on. Okay. Anybody on this side that doesn't have a drum? Who does not have a drum on this side? Right here? Okay, one more right here. Now. Okay. There you go. All right, friends, listen to me now. Our last voyage is very important. As we play these drums, please follow the orchestration of Mighty Joe. When you think the show has ended,